Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to play PUBG Mobile using a controller in 2025. First, you'll need a Bluetooth-enabled mobile gaming controller, such as an Xbox or PlayStation model. Next, ensure your smartphone's operating system is updated to at least Android 13 or iOS 17 for best compatibility. Finally, you'll require a third-party key mapping application to translate controller inputs into touchscreen commands. This setup provides a much more immersive and precise gameplay experience, giving you a competitive edge. Connecting your controller is the crucial first step. Begin by enabling Bluetooth on your smartphone and putting your controller into pairing mode. For most controllers, this involves holding a specific button combination until an indicator light flashes. Once your controller appears in your phone's Bluetooth settings, select it to establish the connection. A solid light on your controller usually signifies a successful pairing. This foundational step ensures your device recognizes the controller before mapping begins. Now, let's configure your chosen keymapper application. After downloading an app like Panda Gamepad Pro or Octopus from your App Store, open it and grant all necessary permissions, especially accessibility services. These apps create a virtual overlay on your screen, allowing controller inputs to mimic finger touches. Navigate through the app's initial setup to ensure it detects your connected controller. This step is vital for translating your physical button presses into in-game actions seamlessly and effectively. With the keymapper ready, it's time to map your controls within PUBG Mobile. Launch PUBG Mobile through your keymapper app, which will activate its overlay. Enter the game's training grounds or a custom match to access the in-game control layout. Use the keymapper's interface to drag virtual buttons onto PUBG Mobile's on-screen controls, assigning each to a physical button on your controller. Test each button thoroughly to confirm it functions correctly, allowing for precise adjustments. Optimizing your setup is key to mastering controller gameplay. Adjust in-game sensitivity settings in PUBG Mobile to match your controller's response and personal preference for smooth aiming. If you encounter input lag, try disabling other background apps or restarting your devices. Remember to check for keymapper app updates regularly, as they often include performance enhancements and compatibility fixes for new PUBG Mobile versions. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience with improved accuracy and control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.